Good morning.
She will not survive. She will not survive. On the number is a carbona. No, according to concept, and I'll you baby, you know, be eliminating. Unlike MPP for any Dr. Baumia, doctor will not mind you. Or back as a cop. NDC, they are not forgiving, or no, could this answer full way. Oh, be in everyone. She is a witch. 33-year-old girl, 33 or 34.
Yes.
I know the number.
And you're
this is her background. Why? So we have not lost anything. We have not. In fact, God has been good to us.
Juju and now using or your juju or your juju line. Juju line. Voodoo.
This is we have gotten rid of rubbish, bad rubbish. Nyankopon na adom ye. Na nyame ya adom ye opponents nso so afa.
Enti Ate oko radio station si oko yes aniama no.
Ai, so akwaji sika or the copy appointment. No mo mbe nu omo.
That's the story why. We send you city inti na omoso e share that appointment.
The only place you get the breaking news is here. Honorable Aquarius, are you there now? Where do her? The Dr. Baumia team, have you gotten there? I'm seeing somebody here.
So, you kind of say, Auntie Amma, so are they doing with sleepover or what?
Is who doing sleepover?
The MPP people are there. Are they doing sleepover this evening?
Everybody is working. When you come on, no couple can move baby out no other.
I wish I'm there right now. Oh God.
Coffee. Me say the guy say me to ade. Me talk coffee. Me talk coffee. Hey.
Hey, please, the car that I have doesn't work in the night. Honorable, have you got into the Pentecost church? Okay, Honorable is there. Good. Honorable, charge the phone and join us.
Just a quick one. May say a quick one. 19 constituencies, 19 police stations, and do we have previous results, 2024 results in now?
19 no 14 we won it. Okay. And then the other 19 minus Jaka is 5 no is under dispute. 14 they winning hands down.
Okay, so 5 no you train now isi can want some no.
Sa train no kura no back one ma. And say we don't know what they are going to do.
Wow. Okay.
That constituencies are constituencies. When the other police stations now we are leading.
Oh, okay. So it's just that we praise.
Breaking news, so
the people who came to vote.
Hey, my son. Yes, you know about fear. Yes, you know about fear. No, my bro, t-shirt, to be na envelope na shame. Envelope na 750 Ghana cedis na shame.
Excellent. They also deserve it.
Akosia, ebi nya 1,200 ne 500 na 1,000. Area ne dia na mention life no. Ya wo bi mo ha o mo yempanyin for ya mo 1,000. Boys in the 200 and 500 cedis.
Yeah, almost na young Kosia Juma no. Hey God. Hey, na Ghana you be ko enimidia.
No, but seriously, if this trend goes on, now the results we had earlier on with the 14 police stations, now it's overturned, then I'll have to come to agreement to Ghana and party IQ. If those same people.
But now who are you speaking English to?
I was.
Yeah, can feel back up before her.
Yeah, can
is your.
Yeah, can feel. Hey, that's the one on one before her. Yeah, they didn't say. Your boy, sorry.
Rita, for mobile, no more problem.
Me grandpa.
TV3 media journal wouldn't send away gamma films. Ghana theater first in Kuma time na one na ukwa cinema fe ye you can say TV cinema say bi entertainment niema wo ho ene those times no ube hu maame no papa na papa agene sa atete na abu ni bi no mo agene baz na ene wa huku maame no mo ko hwe films kama yen na Ghana films say hinfa net ya say na late 90s NDC for na TV3 for say wo mu nti omu jai no ekoye diversity implementation law some stupid law bi na omu di tie to ton ni nyina na agena sare dan no na Ghana meat factory wona na Ghana meat no ye di free north ba wona na ye carry wona na ye deals wona na Ghana se corn beef na ka se corn beef wona na ye no na Royal House Chapel mi anka sa me sofo
Ghana meat
wona ye go out for office oil and what talk on the say sorry dan no mo dey say sorry dan I invite you to for anything mo meto collection na mo wi mo mpaye for jobs no we are done no one so asofo we are done no mo abeka kire say the youth there's unemployment in Ghana NDC pastors we mu no matwe mo benke atoto mo fu na ese nkura edi mu pilolo no eso abetina wa ayedede akwan no mo de mo ma kwa abro kire akọ schools wo ho unkire me sam kwachanka ne manu school omo wi school morning star omo nyina obi akọ abro kire UK no mo kokoto aso me na me ka kire o ni agege collection ni e di amane ne ma TV3 fo yesi ye mpemu bio mo chema buga ye kwakọ yi chema buga na mo ye mane memma mo sibu wo no ye kase mo kire mo ntia mo se mo se NPP mo betimi ara no mo station with that NPP kwasiafo me se nya Ghana enka Ghana pen abetimi enya kukuduro de esi wo se wo na wo se wo ye independent deben media now wo feel say obetimi ara ni media without one single political party wo ye adebentuefo yes ye mpamu obi aso se mu koye survey obi aso se mu koye survey mako share them mako trotro serving the koto NDC platform so entwa mo kasi jimi say NDC for ya adwin ni for mo ya adwin ni for NPP ya adwin wo soro enti no bia wona adwin no mu asakraman for party siafo atwedwantwiefo ya de mu bumanya na o ma na tete apansam wasiafo ya bumanya enyansafo bumanya ye kwa animu a no makotete yasan ye kwa animu a makotete yasan akrabrechire for Francis for mo amone wo mpoano siafo toilet crazy won mu kwa